Here we go. Welcome to the epic battery drain test comparison of the Galaxy S23 Ultra versus the iPhone 14 Pro Max versus the Pixel 7 Pro and finally the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Let's see if the S23 Ultra can pull the impossible and actually defeat the iPhone when it comes to its unrivaled battery performance in the battery drain test. As usual, it's going to be a long one, so kick back and relax and I'll see you guys on the other side. Alrighty, we are back and what a performance from the new Galaxy S23 Ultra, clocking in an impressive 10 hours and 8 minutes, which is just a few minutes short of the champion, the iPhone 14 Pro Max. I have to say, this is the improvement that we wanted to see from Samsung for years. Finally, the S23 Ultra is on the elite level when it comes to the best battery performance, especially when you compare it to the last year's model, the Galaxy S22 Ultra. You see such a huge improvement, which was of course the first to die, so you're getting an extra 1 hour plus time on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. And finally, the Pixel 7 Pro, like this phone has annoyed me so much. I never actually disqualified a phone in a battery drain test, but I really want to because it just kept heating up during that camera video recording stage. It got extremely hot to the touch and it finally cooled down when it died at 9 hours and 35 minutes. Apart from the heat up, the Pixel 7 Pro has performed really good, actually better than my expectation. Considering it's the cheapest phone on the table, I gotta say, it's doing fine. So that's all for this battery drain test. The S23 Ultra has been incredible. Samsung is indeed slowly but surely closing the gap with the iPhone. Hopefully this battery performance will get even better with more software updates. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.